Sometimes we need to convert a website into a PDF for various reasons. For example, to read articles offline without internet access, or to send content to a client for occasional viewing without needing internet access. Sometimes we need, for example, content from a specific website to send to a client so they can occasionally view it without always requiring internet access or other complicated methods. Sometimes when dealing with online quizzes or tests, especially using the mobile browser, we want to save them as neat, organized PDFs for easy access later. It's handy to have them saved cleanly and properly. On PC, converting to PDF often messes up formatting and images, which can be quite frustrating. It's a bit tricky, but the site I'll show you converts any web page into a clean, well-formatted PDF that's easy to read. Let's say we want to convert this particular website, which is actually an English language blog, into a clean, well-organized PDF that's really easy to read. First, we copy the link from the browser, then we open the tool and paste it into the conversion box. After that, we simply click on the Convert button. The tool starts working and it shows the word converting on the screen. So at this point, we just have to wait patiently for a little while. The good thing is it doesn't take very long to finish the process. It says download the converted file. We just click download and open it immediately. Here it is, neatly organized, easy to access offline. You can save it on your device, keep it for later, and everything stays perfectly arranged. Images and icons appear just right, intact and clear, making it very convenient to use anytime without issues. The text flows smoothly without any hiccups, making it very useful. Now let's try another example on a different site. This one has English stories and a nice layout. I highly recommend checking it out because it's well designed and easy to use. Let's try it together and see how it works. Then paste and click convert. Then just wait a little while to see how well the file is transformed. It's impressive. Once done, click download, open the file, and take a look. You'll find it's very neatly formatted, clean, and easy to read, making it perfect for this kind of task. This site really does a great job with file conversion and formatting, and I think you'll find it quite helpful whenever you need to organize your documents quickly and efficiently. For any purpose, it's basically free for about 5 or 6 conversions each day, which is quite generous. After that, it charges roughly $6 a month. Let's take a moment to check the pricing details to be absolutely sure and see what the exact terms are. This way, you know exactly what to expect without any surprises. Unlimited conversions and limitless uses, plus it serves many other purposes too, like converting files quickly and easily, converting web pages into images. HTML file conversions and converting HTML files into images are incredibly useful tools, especially for designers, content creators, and avid readers who don't always have easy access to the web or prefer to save content offline for later use or reference.
This online tool is popular and very useful because it's safe and reliable. I hope this video helped you understand it better. Thanks for watching and your support.